does. Name me something you've done that stands out. I mean, something you've done that stands out that actually people can say when you die, when you die or whatever the hell happens to you, and you're laying there, and they say, "Oh, he raised two great boys." What else did you do? What else did you do? What are they gonna say else you did? Come on, what else are they gonna say you did? You ever help anybody? Did you ever rescue? Ever do anything like that? Did you put somebody's life before your own? Stuff like that. What have you ever done? Did you take lives? What have you done? I rest my case.